Hey everyone, tonight I want to share with you my twist or my interpretation on an Australian favourite. These are my 3 ingredient sausage rolls. They look absolutely fantastic and they smell amazing too. This is how I made them. Alright, so first things first, preheat your oven to 200 degrees, fan forced. And these are pretty much all the ingredients for my sausage rolls. So, first one, ready-made puff pastry, so easy. And what I've done is I've cut this into 6 segments and we've got chevies. Now you can use beef, you can do the big extravagant recipes, but this is easy. It's 2 ingredients, well actually no, I was gonna say 2 ingredient sausage rolls, but people will be like, you're using the egg wash, it's 3. So 3 ingredient sausage rolls, ready-made chevies, already seasoned, ready to go. And they're the perfect width. And for the longer ones, they'll stick out a bit, but it doesn't matter because these will shrink. I've made enough for 6 sausage rolls, and I will cut some smaller once they're formed, just to show you the difference between long and smaller ones. But that's essentially all you're going to need. To make the sausage rolls, it's as simple as rolling your meat onto the puff pastry. And what we're going to do is we're going to put them on a baking tray lined with baking paper, and we're just going to brush them with a bit of egg wash, which is just a bit of beaten egg and water. I'm going to put these in a 220 degree oven for around 35 minutes. I'll cut 1 roll just to see how the little ones will turn out. I'm sure they'll turn out fine. Into the oven they go. So it's been around 35 minutes and look at these sausage rolls. They're absolutely fantastic. Now, different ovens will give you different temperatures, but this is the colour you're looking for. Beautiful golden brown thanks to that egg wash. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put these on a wire rack with a bit of tissue paper just to cool. And trying to get the focus just to show you how the small ones turned out. They turned out really nice, a really good snack size. Here's a more clearer look. They look absolutely fantastic. I was really impressed with how these came out. Just the right amount of pastry, beautiful, flaky. The beef was cooked. These are fantastic and so simple. That's what I like about them, very convenient. You can keep them in the fridge for the next day or you can freeze them. But if you're going to freeze them, I'd cook them slightly under so you can re-warm them in the oven if you like. But that's pretty much the recipe, and you can serve these with whatever you like. I actually tried a couple of these with barbecue sauce. They were absolutely amazing. And that's how I made these 3 ingredient super simple sausage rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video.